How to turn on Vibrate on Kpress on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Vibrate on Kpress on Grammarly. So all what you have to do is go to Grammarly app. Now this is the home page. Choose the first option, it's keyboard customization, and click on it like this. It will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is go down, scroll down until you find Vibrate on Kpress. You can enable it or disable it from here. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.